What do I love about East Texas? Well, the East Texas Oil Museum, of course. Why don't you come and join me?
So, of course, this is our traditional exhibit hall, kind of exactly what you would think of a museum when you come to East Texas. We're definitely talking about oil, the barrels, all fun stuff, what it was like to live in the 1930s. We got Mama here cooking some food on her wood-burning stove. We do have a special exhibit room that rotates through every year. We have 3, 4, sometimes we have up to 6 different displays that come in.
Wow.
So every couple of months something new is coming. Right now we have it's African American. Started in 1978 and goes even contemporary.
That's neat. So this is 1930s downtown Kilgore, the world's richest acre.
Yes, so we recreated what it was like to live in the 1930s during the oil boom. And each one of the businesses is named after a community that was affected by the boom. So this is the Art General Store, we have the Bayswater Museum, the Overton Drug Store, the Kilgore Oil Supply, oil well supply behind us. And it really encompasses just what it was like. You feel like you're stepping
stepping back into time, into the 1930s, into what it must have felt like during the oil boom in Kilgore. It's fantastic. I just love it so much. And look at the big windmill. When was the museum started? When did it open?
It opened on the 50th anniversary of the Daisy Bradford Memory coming in. So it opened on October 3rd, 1980.
1980. Okay.
First well came in on October 3rd,
1930. October 3rd, 1930. Well, we're almost on our 100-year anniversary of the Daisy Bradford 3. Oh my gosh.
Big day for us.
It is going to be a big day. Oh, the type of equipment they use to work on the rigs.
So we have the cable tool rig model, which this is going out of fashion right at the same time. We have the rotary cable rig.
Okay, what's in here? Oh, the bank?
Wait.
Okay, and I feel like could mail a letter here, do something with this, and maybe that was part of a project we had here.
We have Kids Day on Labor Day weekend. And so this past year we had a postcard exhibit up, so we had the kids fill out postcards
and put them in there.
And so then we mailed them off for them.
Oh, the picture show. Oh, and then they would take us back here, and maybe is there like a little classroom or something in there? Or
so at theater we play at 20.
Okay, that's what I'm thinking of. Yeah. Oh, the Gusher Gazette. Look at this guy. Okay, let's go over here and travel to the center of the earth. Museums. Just one more thing I love about East Texas.